Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Couchbase, the database as a service provider with the lowest TCO in the industry. I'm Andy Sachs, and in the next few minutes, I will show you how Couchbase delivers a whole lineup of fast, flexible, familiar enterprise database services, all working together on one platform for you. Then you'll get your power bank, you can chat with us one-on-one. First, who here is an enterprise senior developer or development manager or an IT architect? Anyone? Okay, great. Tell me if these headaches sound familiar. First, your applications just aren't performing well for your customers because your database can't go any faster or do any better, yeah? All right, how about this one? Your database isn't evolving fast enough to keep up with you. Adding functionality is either too time-consuming or just completely impossible, yeah? Okay, how about this? You want to expand into cool mobile and IoT applications, but your database doesn't, right? Well, you know what? Maybe you just want to lower your database TCO, yeah? Well, in each case, your database is holding you back. It's costing you money and hassle and business, definitely business. And that's why we're here. Couchbase trades your slow, limited, mobile and IoT-averse, expensive database for a modern enterprise database as a service called Capella. Now, because it's cloud-based, you deploy it with just a few clicks. Because it's built to scale, you get the lowest TCO in the industry. And because it's full service and fully managed, you get the speed and flexibility of a NoSQL database, the strength of a relational database, plus mobile and IoT application support. We call this fast, flexible, and familiar, but you can call it the reason I sleep at night. Now, I know you development folks out there, you want features, so here are the big six. First, you'll perform like a champ. Capella's in-memory architecture delivers extremely high throughput with very low latency. Next up, you'll scale with ease. In fact, you'll scale your services vertically, your nodes horizontally, and you'll replicate automatically. You might cause a rip in the space-time continuum and see inside black holes, who knows? Also, you'll be agile with integrated services like key value caching, SQL query, JSON document flexibility, full text search, and real-time analytics all from one platform. Next, you'll go mobile. Capella App Services will sync your data between your database and your edge devices quickly, and then authenticate and manage your mobile and edge users easily, all without the hassle of owning your own servers. Here's a big one. Your boss and your customers will trust you because you're delivering reliable data across geo-aware clusters and secure end-to-end encryption all the way from your SDK to your disk. And finally, with our real-time memory-first architecture delivering millisecond data responses, your price performance just keeps improving as you scale, giving you, again, the lowest TCO in the industry. Do these features deliver? Oh yes, they do. To the tune of 2 to 12 times faster throughput, 10 to 50 times lower latency, and 50 to 500% cost savings node for node. See for yourself in these two charts based on the independent Yahoo Cloud Serving benchmarks. The top chart compares performance for inventory updates, the bottom one for online shopping. Now the shorter the bar, the lower the cost, and as you can see, Capella on the left and in red is the shortest every time. So if Capella is so great, who's using it now? Glad you asked. Couchbase is used by dozens of companies like these in all kinds of industries and by more than 30% of the Fortune 100. They put Couchbase to work in pretty mind-blowing ways. For example, FICO protects over 3 billion credit card accounts against fraud, including over 90% of cards in the US, by running its neural network algorithms right on Couchbase. You're welcome. Carnival Cruise Lines deploys Couchbase across its entire fleet to manage 15,000 edge and IoT devices on every ship. Then, when a ship nears the shore, Couchbase syncs its data to the closest AWS data center automatically. And by the way, who uses LinkedIn? Well, Couchbase provides all the in-memory storage in LinkedIn's data center, responding to over 10 million queries per second across all its servers and clusters with less than 4 milliseconds of latency, all while, wait for it, reducing LinkedIn's ops cost. Now I'd like to share more client stories and Capella features with you, but you'd miss dinner tonight. Instead, I'll make a few announcements and then we'll run your quiz and give out your power banks so you can chat one-on-one with our team. Announcement one, we are running a whole bunch of different presentations here, so come on back to our booth and join us during the day, and we'll tell you about the next speaker. You can always find out who's coming next by checking our speaker schedule and topics right at the front desk. Next up, where are my enterprise senior developers and development managers? Where are you folks? All right, after the quiz, come chat with our Couchbase staffers, ask them your questions, tell them the features you most want to learn. They will brighten your day, I promise. And now it's quiz time. I'll ask you 3 questions, and the first person to shout the right answer after I'm done asking the question wins the prize. Question 1, what's the name of Couchbase's modern, fully managed enterprise database as a service that gives you the speed and flexibility of a NoSQL database, the strength of a relational database, plus mobile and IoT application support?
Capella.
That's right, here you go. Question 2, fill in the blank. When you use Capella as your enterprise application database, you'll enjoy the lowest blank in the industry.
TCO.
That's right, here you go. Question 3, when you're ready to make your enterprise database fast, flexible, and familiar, who do you turn to?
Couchbase.
All right, there you go. Thank you for joining me, everyone. Come on in.